It's the weekly What's New. Yeah. What's new? What's new? Let's see. I almost chopped my finger off. I dropped what is it? Why does this happen to me? I dropped the floor of a shed I'm building right on my finger and basically crushed it between a block of cement. And basically, I didn't cut it. I basically ripped it open. But it goes from this side all the way to the front where that little spot is. But it's been about 3 days. It's not stinky, smelly, and didn't turn gangrene yet, so I'm good. Plus, it doesn't hurt much, except when I bang it on stuff. And my kids keep banging my finger, so I can't really feel it. So with that said, I'm not dead. What else? I bought a DeWalt electric pruner. That thing is cool and freaking dangerous. So anybody that has one of those electric pruners, even though they have a little like special safety switch on it, I don't trust it. The thing is so like, to me, I was cutting trees at least. I was cutting limbs that were at least 1.5 inches thick. I don't think it was rated for that, but I'm pretty sure I could do some serious damage to my arm. And I was like cutting it carefully, and like I almost nipped myself. Who the hell's messaging me? I don't know. Anyway, I also what else? This is cool. I have to show you in this video. I learned neighbor of mine. He was putting a spark plug in it was a lawnmower or a ATV, and he went to unscrew it, and this happened. The end of the spark plug broke off in the thing, NGK, so he used the easy out to get it out. But has anybody ever seen that happen? I'm pretty sure it has, because everything is made like shit these days. So I have a souvenir. I'll take that off later. He brought the things back. Good thing I have every tool in the book, because, you know, I'm basically a library for tools. At least it returns them, which is nice. If you return tools, I don't mind lending out small stuff, but big shit that costs money, forget it. What else? What else is new? I have a shitload of videos to make. I have a ton of cool stuff to show you, and I haven't had time to do it, to get to it yet, because I've been busy. Close up trail this weekend, so I'll have weekends to make videos. Probably Friday, Saturday, and Sunday nights do more work. I'll also be freezing my ass off. So with that said, what's the thing on here? Okay, the time is listed on here up. You can't see it, but I can see it. So I finally got the tap and the drain plug. I'm gonna do a video and basically tap a hole and see if the plug fits and it's the right tap, because I don't know. I'd rather try it on something first than destroy the engine. That's gonna get done this week if I don't get oil all over my finger. Rubber gloves, of course. So that's gonna get done. I also got a new. I paid very little for an 1982 Honda 200. I think it's an E or an S. Apparently it ran. The tank is rusty. I'm gonna vapor rust it, but I went to my finger heels because I don't feel like having a vapor juice in my cut. So I'm gonna probably pull the tank off. I gotta get a tarp, cover it up, and if I get the shed built, I'm gonna put this bike in the shed and pull the other one in here and just keep rotating them out, whatever. But this bike, I would like to get it up and out of here and moved. I'm gonna do a clean. I'm not gonna do a cleaning video, but I'm gonna clean up my floor. I got 2 engines in the way, but I'm not lifting the engines by myself. I gotta put them somewhere for now. Gotta back this out of here. The sandblaster is on my list of things to do. It's been busy. It's been like crazy busy. So with that said, I have a lot of tool reviews to do and stuff that I picked up. One, I should probably make a video of me chopping. I had back to that DeWalt thing. I cut down a pile of brush, and probably would have took me all day to just cut it up and burn it. I went through an entire pile of, like 6-foot high pile of small brush and turned it into one little 1-foot sections in maybe an hour and a half. That was it. Like it would have took me, I don't know, 4 hours with a pair of little cutters, which I probably could use the exercise, but it was just like pull the trigger and snip. It was good. I got some really cool tools to show you in a couple of upcoming videos. And if you're my 5251st subscriber, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. And I'm going to end it here because, you know what, blah, blah, blah. You don't want to listen to me gab for another 20 minutes. So thanks for watching. Oh, and thanks for watching. And leave a comment. I don't care if you like or don't like the channel, but I appreciate everybody who does watch the channel. Thanks for watching.